Here's how to check if your router has parental controls turned on. First is go to the settings of your phone and go to the Wi-Fi connections that you are currently connected and copy the router number configuration address. Go to the Safari and go ahead and paste on the configuration address, and you will be redirected on the website where you can go ahead and log in to the configuration or router access. Afterwards, click on or put on the username of the network as well as the password and click on login, and you will be redirected to the main settings of your router. Now afterwards, click on the advanced option that you can see at the very top, and you will see there the access control option. Afterwards, now click on the access control and you will see there the service list on how access control would you like to do to your router. And now you can go ahead and follow the steps. So as you can see, the router is not yet under the parent control program since it is on the set options.